In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a credit note inside of Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to the menu and click on Sales. Then from here you'll see something called Credit Notes. And right beside it there's this little plus icon that you can click on to create a new credit note. Then from here you need to go over to Customer Name. And here you can either select or add a new customer. I'm just gonna click this one in particular. Then you can add a billing address and a shipping address. Then you can add a credit note. You can either get auto-generated or you can create your own credit note over here. Configure credit note number preferences. Then from here you can add in your reference number and you can add a credit note date. You can also add a salesperson, either select or add a new salesperson that you have registered. Then you can add a subject. Then from here down in the item table, you can add in an item detail. You can either click one of these that you have created previously, or you can create a new item like so, either a goods or service, file name, selling price, account, and all of that. And then just click save. Then from here you can add in the account. You can either choose one of these, the employee advanced, fixed asset, all of these you can choose from, or you can even click create a new account if you want to do that. Then from here you can also add in the quantity, the rate, and the tax, where you can also create a new tax down here. Then from here you can set in the amount and see the total amount. Then from here you can also add a new row, or you can add item to a bulk. Then from here you can see the subtotal. You can add in shipping charges if you want to do that, and you can add in adjustment for the price. And then you can see the total of the credit note. Down here you can also add in a customer note if you want to do that, and the terms and condition for your credit note. Then from here you can also add an email communication, a new one that you already have created, and when you're done with that you can click save as draft or save as open. If you click save as open, then it should be opened and sent to the customer. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!